Top 15 tech finds for this month. This gadget attaches to any vacuum and lets you see dog hair and dust on the floor. This is a handheld tattoo printer which works on both skin and clothing, and you can customize any design you want. This is an AI pot which tells you when your plant needs water, and it also has a ton of other features. This projector is the size of a soda can and can project a 100-inch screen anywhere you want. This is a torch nightlight which lets you go from one room to another when you don't want to turn on the light. This device is a portable clothes dryer that can hold 9 shirts at a time, and it only takes 20 minutes. This umbrella has a built-in fan and water pump so you can stay cool in the hot sun. These are AI robotic shoes which let you walk over 2 times faster, which is great if you're in a rush. This is an AirPod case that looks like a Vaseline bottle so no one will steal it. This broom has a built-in leaf blower which makes it easy to clean your backyard. This electric screwdriver has magnetic attachments for any type of screw, and it also has a built-in light. This robot cleans the entire surface of your pool and has a solar panel on top so you never have to charge it. This screen cleaner has a cloth built in so all you have to do is spray and wipe your screen. These are dust covers which protect your charging port from dirt getting inside. This is an anti-gravity humidifier that has a built-in clock. I'm not sure what it does, but it looks really cool.